Good morning, everybody. We are back on production, but as you can see behind me, we ain't in Texas no more. It's bright out here. We got some full sun and we are up in the hills of Colorado. So we are at 9,000 feet elevation. We are nearby the town of Salida, Colorado, and we have this amazing place to shoot video at. And look at this here, mountains all around.
Don't worry about the time.
What a cool place. So how do you guys feel to be back on production?
I'm actually pretty excited about this. I think the production this week's going to be a lot more low-key because we've got this beautiful scenery and the production schedule's not as intense.
You asked me good.
What he said.
Right, so once we get you to describe some of this, then it'll be Mark talking about, all right, this is something we've been wanting to do for a long time.
Good morning, guys. We got my candid camera out.
The camera?
Yeah, look at you. This looks familiar.
I don't consent to being filmed.
Cat on my neck?
Yes. Can I?
Gracias.
Oh, like mine.
Smaller version.
Yeah.
All right. How's that sound now?
It basically split the same thing on one coach, and he could say they did a great job installing it. The wires come down off the roof and enter into this cabin.
I want to talk a little bit about the process involved in creating a solar system. First, you have to identify your
And just like that, phase 2 of RV Nomads production was off to a start.
To describe what an install entails, which is going to be identifying your power requirements so that you can size the system appropriately to do your system design. And you're going to source your equipment, which is batteries, your solar panels, and the electronics required on the system. When you come up on the roof anyway. Whoa, she came up on the roof. Proving the concept. The roof and enter into this cabinet here where they enter into the electronics that charge the batteries. That's how we had written.
talk a little bit about what's all involved in the
Here's our home right now. Here's our house, Tucker's hangout area, and our view of the valley. All right, here we are. Today's the day for our lifestyle shoot for the movie RV Nomads. It's pretty exciting. People are showing up. Got John Hebert over here. He's one of our camera guys. Shane and Audrey with audio. Tom and Caitlin Morton with more camera and directing. It's all happening.
Director's here. Get back to work.
Get back to work.
This is our lifestyle shoot today. And we're right in the middle of trying to get us feeding Tucker, but he is more interested in the cameras and the lights. So Tucker's making this shot a little bit difficult to capture since he's more interested in the sound gear and the cameras.
And the lights. Wow. Love the lights.
Yeah.
Production was flowing well. We had a good system in place. In no time at all, we shot the footage we needed for Shane and Audrey, the footage for Kelly Beasley of Camp Addict, as well as the footage we needed for Mark and Julie Bennett with RV Love.
What life is missing when you just breathe, close your eyes and listen. That's what is real, not what you give. You gotta believe.
Last
And the only one on an RV. Unfortunately, we probably would have liked to do more, but this is pretty cool. Huh?
Yeah, that's a good setup.
Totally.
It's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, that didn't work.
Epic failure.
Sorry.
Oh man.
Isn't there a window back
No,
there?
you're not allowed to do this, remember? What is this called?
This is
Transit.
Oh, for sure.
yeah. Oh my god.
Toss possibly if you
That was the last studio shot.
Yeah.
We're finished with that part.